minute. That's it. The king of the ring has had enough. Obafemi is here and he is coming for blood. It's the era of the ruler, and you can't beat down and hurt the innocent one. Braun Breaker and the Vision was destroying Akira Tozawa, who is so innocent, who can't even help himself. But in WWE, Obafemi is the savior. Obafemi is here to destroy Braun Breaker and the Vision. Obafemi saved Akira Tozawa from that vicious spear of Braun Breaker. Oh, big boot to Austin Theory. Just a boot to the face is enough from Obafemi to end the game of Austin Theory. Maxine Dupri, the girlfriend of Austin Theory, is also scared. The referees and officials surrounding the ring because they know chaos is about to erupt. Obafemi is ready for war and destruction of the dog, Braun Breaker. Look at Obafemi. He is very angry. How the hell you can hurt Akira Tozawa and other innocent wrestlers just to fulfill your ego? And then now Obafemi very angry, telling Braun Breaker, why you pork always and why you don't fight? Adam Pearce is trying to calm down the situation. Braun Breaker is laughing because he is an idiot to mess up with Obafemi, the ruler, the king of the... Oh no, storm time! A spear by Braun Breaker to Seth freaking Rollins. Look at the dog. His head is covered with blood. And now Braun Breaker screams. Torpedo spear to the Visionary. Seth freaking Rollins got destroyed, and now Braun Breaker is mocking Obafemi, the king of the ring. And now Braun Breaker setting his sight on Seth freaking Rollins. Rollins goes chest first into the turnbuckle. And now Braun Breaker continuously mocking Obafemi. The ruler will not answer with mockeries and the words. He will answer when he destroy both Austin Theory and Braun Breaker, and now Austin also mocking Obafemi. Theory punishing Seth freaking Rollins. Oh, Maxine Dupri slaps the Visionary. And now Braun Breaker enjoying all of it like a coward. You can't be the future of this company like this, Braun. Obafemi is the real future. Look at these jokers, these idiots, beating down the Visionary like... What the hell is this? Continuously mocking the ruler. Obafemi is desperately waiting for a tag. And the fans are waiting for the destruction of the Vision. Look at Braun Breaker again mocking. Oh, this time the Visionary makes a tag to the ruler. Now pork. Now mock. Now do mockery, Austin. Obafemi in just a few seconds completely changed the game. Bang! Obafemi with a big boot. The ruler, the destroyer, the mountain that you can't climb, the beast slayer. Uppercut. Another uppercut. Look at Austin Theory. Oh, spear out of nowhere by the dog. And now Obafemi makes attack to the visionary. Pedigree. The spear countered into a pedigree by the visionary. He is expert in this. And now it's time for a stomp. Maxine Dupri from behind. It's a low blow to Seth Rollins. And now Austin Theory attacking him. Braun Breaker and Austin Theory destroying Seth Rollins and Obafemi after the match ended via DQ. Seth Rollins and Obafemi defeated Braun Breaker and Austin Theory, but now Breaker, the dog, it's a spine buster from the ruler. Super kick by Rollins. And now Obafemi picks up Austin Theory. A stomp. Fall from brace. Cover. No cover because the match was already ended. Seth Rollins and Obafemi totally destroyed Braun Breaker and Austin Theory. Also they deserved it, and now Danhausen versus The Miz. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible wrestling action like this. The Miz and Danhausen. Oh! What the hell is Danhausen thinking? He is about to wear the glass of The Miz. Yes, he did. And now The Miz is very angry. But Danhausen playing mind games. Oh, wow. Keep doing it, Miz. Curse. Miz escapes from the curse, but not from the suplex. And now the referee is very angry on The Miz. Why are you cheating, Miz? It's Danhausen, damn it. The Miz is scared from the referee and he is ready to fight like a real man. But he is not a real man. He removed the cover of the turnbuckle and now distracting the referee. Danhausen. Kick out by The Miz. Oh, knee to the gut of Danhausen. Danhausen saves himself. And now he is fighting back like a man with The Miz. Both men exchanging blows in the middle of the ring. And now The Miz went for the crushing finale, but bang! The Miz gets to taste his own medicine. And now Stinger by Danhausen. And a victory. Danhausens are very happy for Danhausen. And now Obafemi. Bang! Fall from grace by the ruler. Cover by Obafemi. And a victory for the ruler. Obafemi wins this triple threat match and also the NXT Championship. Congratulations to the ruler who become the new NXT champion. Do subscribe to Wrestling Justice for more incredible action. Thanks for watching.